Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe for more aviation and travel insights. There's a part of travel most people never see. On one side of the journey is the ramp agent. Long shifts, early mornings, late nights, working in rain, heat, wind, and freezing cold, often while the rest of the world is asleep. Ramp agents don't just move bags and guide aircraft. They're responsible for safety, timing, weight, balance, and making sure a flight can even leave the gate. When weather hits, everything changes. Snow on the runway, ice on the wings, wind delays, de-icing queues. One small delay can stack into hours. On the other side of travel is the cruise traveler. Boarding day, ocean views, sunsets, pool decks. Vacation mode turn on the moment they leave home. For cruise travelers, the journey feels smooth, almost effortless. But what many don't realize is how dependent that smooth experience is on aviation. Here's where the bridge comes in. A delay at the airport doesn't end at the runway. It can ripple all the way to the cruise terminal. A storm hundreds of miles away can ground flights. Missed connections can mean missed sailings. Late aircraft arrivals can delay thousands of passengers trying to reach their ship on time. Ramp agents see this chain reaction every day. Cruise travelers usually don't, until it affects them. The bridge strategy is about understanding both sides. When you know how airports really work, you plan differently. You fly in a day early. You watch the weather, not just at your destination, but along the entire route. You understand why buffers matter. This isn't about fear. It's about awareness. Ramp agents operate in reality, tight schedules, safety limits, and weather that doesn't care about itineraries. Cruise travelers operate in expectation that everything will line up perfectly. The bridge between them is knowledge. When you connect aviation reality with cruise planning, you don't just travel, you travel smarter. That's the bridge strategy, understanding the unseen work behind flights, so your vacation starts the right way. Like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes aviation and cruise travel insights.